Working on busy roadways is one of the most dangerous environments for emergency responders. To enhance situational awareness and ensure safety at car accident scenes, we can use the wildland fire acronym LCES. L stands for lookouts. Designate a crew member to watch for oncoming traffic and potential dangers. This lookout should have a clear view of the scene and be responsible for alerting everyone if something seems unsafe. C stands for communications. The lookout needs to be able to communicate quickly and effectively with the team, either by shouting or using a radio. E stands for escape routes. It's crucial to establish routes to safety before any incident occurs. Preferably, these routes lead to the shoulder of the road, further off the road, or a lower risk area behind a guardrail. S stands for safety zone. Utilize barriers like guardrails to decrease the risk of being struck. Ideally, position heavy fire apparatus in traffic lanes, angled away from the shoulder, to create a less dangerous working area. Everyone at the incident should be aware of the plan and the elements of LCES, including who is keeping watch and where the safe operating areas are. Remember, LCES isn't just for wildland firefighters. It can significantly enhance safety for all responders on traffic accident scenes. By implementing these strategies, we can help reduce injuries and ensure everyone goes home safely.